Over in St. Mary, there was unrest as scores of people who worked at the vaccine Blitz in Islington say they're yet to be paid. Cody Ann Barrett has the details.
We just need the answer. How long should we wait? How long? Next year?
Residents staged a protest outside the St. Mary Municipal Corporation Monday morning demanding answers. They say they worked on September 15 and 16 at the Islington vaccination Blitz and it was not voluntarily.
We all worked. We were out of our beds from 6 o'clock in the morning and nobody to answer when we are going to be paid. It is unfair. Everybody at the municipal, they receive their payment whether they are on a weekly salary, fortnight pay or monthly. They receive their pay. We need to be paid. We are not idlers.
All we need is an update to us when persons are going to get paid, because persons use their gas and they use their personal income that should send their children to school, to buy credit, to put on phone, because it's a poor community. We don't have the money, and all we need is our money that we have spent during the Islington vaccination Blitz. That's all we need.
They believe the St. Mary Municipal Corporation and one councillor are responsible for the hold-up of their wages. However, the councillor for the division, Lincoln Dixon, says he's unaware of where their payment should be coming from.
At one stage I was told it's the SDC, another time I was told that it is the parish council. Then the next time I hear that it was supposed to be from the Ministry of Local Government. I honestly can't ascertain where exactly, but after speaking with the chief, she told me that it has to go to the ministry.
He added that the allegations are putting him at risk.
It's very difficult for the council to be exposed to a situation like this. You know, I'm being alienated. The last week I went to a funeral and somebody verbally attacked me. Say I don't make him virgin get paid. How can I be placed in a position that I'm saying to the minister, how can you expose your councillor to this?
This afternoon, chairman of the municipal corporation, Richard Creary, told TVJ News that the corporation submitted the claims to the Ministry of Health, which will dispatch the funds for the workers to be paid. Cody Ann Barrett, TVJ News.